On my last watch through of Return of the Jedi, I noticed a fascinating detail about Luke and Leia. Either George, Mark, or Carrie, or maybe all three of them, made intentional acting decisions to subtly sell the plot point that the two of them were twins. Now, apologies if this was obvious to some of you, but I'm sure there are others out there like me who hadn't noticed this before, so I first noticed it here, and I time remapped this slightly so it's more obvious that they both have the exact same facial expression at almost exactly the same time. Their body movements line up the way that their heads turn at the same time, and we see this over and over again in multiple scenes. In fact, the more I looked for it, the more examples I saw. They almost look like they're subconsciously mirroring one another, although how much their connection in the Force influences this mirroring is anyone's guess. Now, I can't immediately find any similar examples from the previous two films, which would seem to indicate the twin siblings' plot point wasn't something that George had planned from the very beginning. Which is rather sad. It would have been amazing to have these subtle visual hints scattered throughout the entire original trilogy. But regardless, it is a really neat little detail in Episode 6 that adds a layer of realism to these characters. If you liked this video, be sure to check out this one covering small details about Luke's character that you also may not have noticed, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I'm making it a goal to upload a short video every single Friday, and in between those uploads of short videos I'm constantly also working on longer content as well. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time.